Apple. This is an apple. Banana. This is a banana. Mango. This is a mango. Orange. This is an orange. Grapes. This is grapes. Strawberry. This is a strawberry. Watermelon. This is a watermelon. Pineapple. This is a pineapple. Kiwi. This is a kiwi. Papaya. This is a papaya. Blueberry. This is a blueberry. Peach. This is a peach. Cherry. This is a cherry. Plum. This is plum. Pomegranate. This is pomegranate. Coconut. This is coconut. Lemon. This is a lemon. Guava. This is guava. Pear. This is a pear. Fig. This is a fig. Tomato. This is a tomato. Carrot. This is a carrot. Potato. This is a potato. Onion. This is onion. Garlic. This is a garlic. Great job, friends! You've learned 25 fruits and vegetables today. Keep watching and learning. See you next time.
Color pencil.